Epson Printer Reset Guide. Quick and easy. Method 1. Power Reset. This fixes minor errors. Turn off the printer using the power button. Unplug the power cable from both the printer and the wall outlet. Wait 60 seconds. Optionally, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds while it's unplugged. Now, plug it back in and turn the printer back on. This step clears memory glitches and connection issues. Method 2. Factory Reset. Warning: this erases all custom settings, Wi-Fi, and preferences. If your Epson has a screen, press the Home button. Then navigate to Setup and choose Restore Default Settings. Choose one of the following options: Network Settings, Copy Settings, Scan Settings, or All Settings for a full factory reset. Confirm when prompted. If your Epson has no screen, turn off the printer. Press and hold the reset button using a paperclip. While holding reset, turn the printer on. Hold for about 10 seconds, then release when the lights start blinking. Some models may use button combinations like Stop and Power or Cancel and Start. For more updates, subscribe to our channel, The Printer Zone.